Standing there was the biggest lion I've ever seen.
Oh, well, you need all that, don't you?
I looked at him. He looked at me. We just stood there looking at each other. When suddenly he went...
What's happening?
You all right? You all right?
Oh, yeah.
I did a very childish thing. I wet myself. Full grown man, I wet myself.
It's all right, Hunk. Nothing to be ashamed of. Any bloke would have done the same thing, coming face to face with a man-eating lion.
I don't mean when I was in the jungle. I meant now, when I went...